Hi, Rob Reynolds here. So you've gone through all the examples for your distance sensors and you've been able to see the distance returned in your Arduino serial monitor. Sweet, you've got new stuff in your brain and that is excellent. Now it's time to do something with that new brain stuff and come up with a practical project for your distance sensor. But what to do? Well, for me, it was an easy call. I have a teenager about to get her learner's permit, so allow me to introduce to you the Tf Mini Stoplight. Now, the idea of the stoplight is so that when the driver pulls the car into the garage, they know exactly when to stop. In the old days, it would have been done something like this. Please excuse the crudeness of my model. The tennis ball is not to scale, nor did I have time to paint it. But it's 2018, and just like we use a washing machine rather than beat our clothes on a rock to do laundry, we should also use 21st century technology to park our cars, right? No offense to anybody who still beats their laundry on a rock. You do you, man. The build is really simple. I'm using the Tf Mini Micro Lidar module with the Quick package, along with a SparkFun black board. Now, since the Tf Mini Quick package comes with a boost board and simple quick connection scheme, I didn't have to worry about using a logic level converter, just plug and play. I've also got 3 super bright LEDs and their companion resistors, a couple of 3D printed parts, and that's it. Coding for the Tf Mini is also really easy, thanks to the libraries and examples that we have. So when the driver first comes into the garage, the light's green. As he gets closer, the light will turn yellow, and when he's at the proper stopping distance, the light turns red. You can set the ideal stopping distance for your garage simply by changing the stop limit variable at the top of the code. As the code's written now, I have the yellow light illuminating when the car is 2 meters from the ideal stopping point, but you can change that too by simply adjusting the number in the yellow LED's if statement. If you do that, just make sure that you also adjust the number in the green LED's if statement as well, so you don't get 2 LEDs illuminating at the same time. This is just the beginning for this little project. Some improvements might include a sleep function so that the LEDs aren't illuminated the entire time. You might want to add a couple of buttons so you can more easily adjust up or down the ideal stopping distance. And if your back wall is near a window, or you don't mind drilling a hole in your wall, you could run the whole thing off of solar power. I will add the code, the parts list, and the 3D files in the post below, or if you're watching this on YouTube, I will add the link to the SparkFun page. Head over there for all of that. And let me know what improvements you're going to make when you build yours. You build yours. LED in sorry. I'll link it below. I won't list it below. Yeah. Okay. Code, parts, 3D files. Don't put that in the bloopers reel. So that you can be more. That's all, folks.